Welcome back, and a very big welcome to those of you who are joining me for the very first time. I'm Black, I'm Bemba, and I'm proud. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so, because that is what will keep me going. Okay, if you notice, today my background is different. It's because I'm doing this from my office. So if I stop abruptly, bear with me. It means I have to attend to someone. Or my boss has walked in on me. I have to be on my best behavior and away from my phone. Before it gets to that, I want to quickly share at least 4 proverbs today. That's how committed I am to the cause. I'm risking being caught. Number 1, Akokwete, bominako, imbwa. Akokwete, bominako, imbwa. Translation: what you have is what you use to hit a dog with. This is YouTube. I'm aware it's a platform with people from all walks of life, and they may take it as Zambians hit dogs and they are cruel towards animals. That's not it. The interpretation is use what you have to deal with the situation, to go through life, to survive. Okay? Use what you have. I mean, look at me. I'm using a phone that I have to fight with to get a good, decent video. Hey, imagine if I had to wait until I got that better phone. Would wait forever because the phone is the last thing on my budget right now. The encouragement is basically start where you are with what you have, and eventually things will get better. Because if you keep waiting for a better day, for a better job, for a better whatever to do certain things, you will stagnate and opportunities will pass you by and you may not get where you wish to get. So start where you are with what you have, and consistency will get you the results you wish to have. Number 2, akafumbe okunona katola kubwaki. The equivalent to this one in English is charity begins at home. Basically, it's telling us that we need to groom people from a tender age so that they will turn out into responsible people we wish to live with in society. The good manners we see, even the bad ones we see, started from home, because it's harder for anyone to correct an adult than it is to correct a child. Remember, habits become character, and character forms a personality. So while the child is still developing habits before they can form that character and gradually a personality, we can steer them in the right direction. Okay. The third one is umweni. This one is interesting. Umweni talisha munsori, ngalisha nishini buomba. The simpler version of womba is kemba. So umweni talisha munsori, ngalisha nishini kemba. Translation is a visitor doesn't whistle. If they do, then they are a singer or a musician. The meaning is, if you visit a home, when you go somewhere as a visitor, do not go there with noise, not necessarily noise. Do not be too comfortable to give opinions on the issues of that family, how they should conduct themselves, how they should cook, who should cook what, and the like. You are a visitor, so behave as such. Okay? No matter how free you are with those people, sometimes let's just sit back and let people run their homes the way they do. Because even you would not like a visitor to come to your place and start dictating how you should run your home. The last one for the day is Tafimbwa Rubiro. My dad used to love this saying a lot. He would say, Tafimbwa Lungu. I have to attend to someone. Part two of this will come. Thank you. Come!